Okay, now let's look at this example. We're given the function f(x) equals the square root of x squared minus 25, and we said the domain of this function should include any numbers that will make the x squared minus 25 be positive or 0. So in other words, to find the domain, we're gonna solve for this inequality, because since this is an even root, so if the inside is a negative number, then this whole thing will be undefined. So that's why we want x squared minus 25 to be non-negative. And to be non-negative means we want this to be greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay, so to solve this type of inequality, first, instead of solving this inequality, we solve for this equation, x squared minus 25. And so we have two solutions. One is a negative phi, another one is a positive phi. Now in the second step, we put a negative phi and a positive phi on our number 9. So the number 9 will be divided into 3 pieces. It will be divided into 3 intervals. The first interval is from negative infinity to negative phi. The second interval is from negative phi to positive phi, and the third interval is from positive phi to infinity. Then we just need to determine in which interval do we have the numbers that will satisfy this inequality. And how to do this? So the method is for each interval, we choose a random number, and then we plug in that random number into this expression x squared minus 25. If the result is positive, that means for every number in this interval, x squared minus 25 will be positive. Now, if the random number we plug in into x squared minus 25, the result is negative, that means every number in that interval will make x squared minus 25 be negative. So, therefore, we should exclude every number from that interval from our domain. Now, because now we have 3 intervals, say from the first interval, I pick up negative 6. Now, it doesn't matter which number you choose. So as long as the number is between negative infinity and negative phi, that would be fine. And so when x equals negative 6, negative x squared minus 25 gonna be negative 6 squared minus 25. And this is 36 minus 25. And this is positive. So if this is positive, means every number from negative infinity to negative phi will be in our domain. Okay, so we found 1. Now let's take a look at the second interval from negative phi to positive phi. So let me pick up 0. Let me use 0 as our random number here. If x equals 0, 0 squared minus 25, this is equal to negative 25, which is negative. So that means every number between negative phi and positive phi will make x squared minus 25 be negative, so we cannot include them in our domain. And then for the third interval, from 5 to infinity, let's say I use 7. So when x equals 7, the result is 49 minus 25. Now this is positive. So the domain of this function is from negative infinity to negative 5, and from 5 to positive infinity.